deforestation and forest fire in Amazonas as a strategy to expand agriculture, frontiers and pastures to feed livestock. In the practice, housing Amazon to lose its capacity to remove carbon from the atmosphere. This generates a series of feedback effects, says Luciana Gatti, the author of the study and coordination of impact greenhouse gas laboratory in the interim and preventing deforestation release carbon in the atmosphere and make the climate very strict, which increase the mortality and generate much increased emissions than renewables. So we are accelerating climate change because they turn carbon into the atmosphere, reduce rainfall, and increase temperature, which help to move CO2 in the atmosphere. Is negative sick. Ranch and farmers don't in uncesar tan extraordinary the Amazon is throwing stone at the air overall because when encountered drone it helps more area to plant means deforesting there will be less rain and heater temperatures, which will reduce productivity. Thanks.